Hi there, in case you have been living in a hole under a rock on a lonely island, the amount of human-emitted CO2 in the atmosphere has exceeded 400 parts per million. That's 400 molecules of CO2 per million molecules of dry air. That might not sound like much, but when you think about substances like arsenic and fentanyl and how easily they can kill you, hint, it doesn't take much, then you realize that a small amount of powerful substances has huge effects. Yes, CO2 is that powerful. So, how many parts per million of CO2 are we supposed to be at? You might guess that maybe the answer is about 350 parts per million, given there's an entire climate advocacy organization called 350.org, and the number is just thrown around on the internet. It's a nice number to which to aspire, but there is no evidence that 350 ppm is where we're supposed to be. So check out this chart on CO2 levels over the past 800,000 years, based on ice core data and more recently, atmospheric measurements taken at the Mauna Loa Observatory in Hawaii. Scientists look at tiny air bubbles inside of drilled ice cores to get a sense of Earth's past climate. So according to ice cores and Mauna Loa data, atmospheric CO2 never exceeded 300 ppm until about 1950 due to human activities such as burning fossil fuels and land use change, which includes deforestation. So the evidence says that 300 ppm or below is safer, while exceeding 300 ppm is less safe. Like I said, we're at over 400 ppm, which is higher than humans became a species, and as a result, our planet is becoming increasingly unlivable. Thankfully, 2022 was considered a turning point for clean energy according to environmental policy experts. With enough empowerment, we can make 2023 and beyond a period of even more action so atmospheric CO2 levels can stop rising.